preschool adventurers! I'm Mia. Today, we are going to count to 10 together. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, there is the 1, all by itself. 2 and 3. See how they playfully bounce. And look, here is the 4, all by itself now. 5, 6. We are already more than halfway there. 7 and 8. Almost there. And 9 and 10. We did it! 10 fantastic numbers! That was so much fun! You are absolute counting superstars. See you next time in the Counting Nebula. Bye-bye!